Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Ally Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ally.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Ally Bank. Now, right from the homepage, if you don't already have an account, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then click on create a profile. You will then be asked to select your profile or your account type that you want to create. Simply click on your kind of account you want to create and you will be taken into the enrollment page. Now, from the enrollment page, just type in your date of birth and your social security number. After typing it in, click on the continue button and then you will be taken into the further process of finalizing your account. You will need to enter all of your personal information, including your residential address and your credentials of various government-issued IDs. After providing all of your details, you will be allowed to set up your final email address. After entering your email address, you will be asked to verify your account, which you can do by logging into your email and clicking on the activation link. Finally, after you click on the activation link, your account will be activated and now you will be able to use your Ally Bank account online using your website. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Ally Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.